Let's talk about XCN. Its full name is Onyx Coin, and right now it is sitting at 1.8 cents. As you can see, it's 0.018, and that is what 1.8 cents means. Some people, they generally get confused what is 1.8 cents. I have covered this coin extensively. I have shared its regions, and I'm going to tell you what do I expect from this coin in long term. But first, let's talk about its short term, and then later on I'll tell you the expectations I have from it in the longer story of its life. As I had shared with you over and over again, from all the way down from 1.45, I'll show it to you. This was the initial support area that we had. We wanted it to capture, which will lead us towards 1.6, 1.8, and then all the way up towards 2.2. So far, it has gone up and hit only the area of 2 cents. It didn't hit 2.2 and it got rejected. Now, this is something that I have been asked, I think, pretty much a lot in the comment section as why 2.2. The answer for that is simple. This is the maximum that this coin has been able to tolerate to go and hit. Now, of course, it has wicks above it, but the bodies of the candles have never closed above 2.2 cents. And this is the general problem that XCN has. XCN is not able to go and live above the area of 2.2 cents. If it does, I think XCN will be able to go and become the billion-dollar project, which is the long-term perspective. Because at this stage right now, as we speak, where it is sitting right now at 1.8 cents, this is a support level. Right now it's at $600 million. It's a $620 million market cap. So 1 billion is not that far. It can easily go and hit $1 billion market cap. But the thing is that for that, it needs to capture 2.2 cents. So far, it has only gotten rejected from 2 cents. 2 cents is a psychological target. It's not a technical analysis target. So if we don't see it breaking above 2.2 cents, then I think you should get ready. XCN is going back down to 1.45 cents. And I know this is painful in the sense that it took us so much time to go back up. We waited this long for it. But the thing is that 2.2 cents is an extremely important area, and we have seen XCN doing this over and over again. It takes a sweet time, but eventually what happens is that it fails and it falls back down to 1.8, then 1.6, then 1.45, and of course after that I'll share the other narrative with you. From the long-term perspective, if it does capture 2.2 cents, closes 2 daily candles with the bodies above the area of 2.2 cents, then I would expect that, okay, XCN is starting the upward journey. And then of course our first target is going to be 5 cents. It is going to be dramatic. It is going to be extremely bullish, but the thing is it needs to capture 2.2. If it doesn't do it, I think you should prepare pretty much for 1.45 cents. It can take multiple weeks, but it will go there. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.